the school. Would you like to give your feedback regarding school and everything?
Yes, of course, that would be my great pleasure.
Uh,
Just I want to say a great opportunity that we have this chance to be face to face in the Viva Online, and this is very nice from actually all is happen good things because of the Management Institute of the Learning App Academy. It's very good um, and kind management, and they're
Thank
always
you,
on
thank you.
through. And also I can see that the happiness and the pleasure that you are teaching our kids, and they make them feel grow for the next level, which I see a lot of improvements to my child Zayed Lucas.
Hmm.
For the grade 1B, it was like a great impact, which is a little bit shy personality. It's very hard to adjust and adapt with the situation, but because due to some complication issue back home, we have to go to online school, and it was one of my best heart school. I found it. You are in my heart. You are like my family now. No more teachers.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah,
Much appreciated this. We
because
really
we,
appreciate your
and
kind words. Okay.
I'm also for interrupt, but you are
Sorry.
the teacher for mathematics, right?
Yes.
Yes, and
Uh,
because my older child also it's
yes,
with
yes.
you. Yeah.
Yes. I'm teaching him maths. I'm his
Yes.
math teacher. Yes.
Thank
Hmm.
you, really. Thank you for every each one of you. You are beautiful from in
Thank you.
and outside. And
Okay,
for
ma'am.
the patience you have it. As a mother, I don't have patience, but I can see a lot of patience. I was not expected, really.
Okay.